I must tell Simba!
Where am I?
You're safe in the Pride Lands.
The Pride Lands? No! Why'd you bring me here? Who do you think you are?
I think I'm the one that just saved your life.
Look, I had everything under control.
Not from where I'm standing.
Then move downwind.
What are you doing?
Help
Kiara!
Kiara, you're all right. Father, how could you break your promise?
It's a good thing I did. I almost lost you. No more hunts for you, not ever.
But I was doing just fine, even before Kovu.
Kovu?
Simba.
Hey! You! How dare you save the king's daughter?
You saved her? Why? I humbly ask to join your pride.
No! You were banished with the other outsiders.
I have left the outsiders. I'm a rogue. Judge me now for who I am. Or am I to be blamed for a crime I didn't commit?
Simba, you owe him your daughter's life.
Yes, sire. Clearly we are in his debt, and royal protocol demands that all debts be paid. Though in this case, you might want to make an exception.
My father's law will prevail. For now, I reserve judgment. We'll see who you really are.
That's more like it.
Myth laugh.
Thanks for saving me today.
What kind of hunter are you anyway, princess? You almost got yourself killed up there.
What?
You would last 3 days on your own.
Oh, and I suppose you could teach me?
Oh, yeah.
Kiara!
Coming. All right. Impress me. We start at dawn.
Did you see that? He let her go!
If that were me,
Hush! The fire rescue worked perfectly and Simba fell for it. Now, the closer Kovu gets to the daughter, the closer he gets to Simba. And once he has Simba alone...